Alright guys, we're walking over there. This is the next video because I couldn't get it to piece together. I mean, I don't know if I can get it pieced together because I haven't edited it yet, of course. But we're gonna go find that bird I just shot. Trying to find, we saw him fly down towards this way a little bit. He was, let's see. It's actually right there on that limb right there. And I actually hit him. And he's now on the hip ring. Alright guys, so if y'all see me set y'all down and not say anything, that's probably because I've seen a bird and I'm wanting to shoot it. But I haven't seen him yet. I don't know, there's too many birds in my house anyway. I watch my recent videos, there's way too many birds at my house. Like, for real, like, way too many. We're gonna go back and sit down. I don't know why I want to sit down right there. Might be a bird around here in the front. Or even a squirrel, you know. Alright, nothing in the front. Let's go back to the back. This is my little setup behind me. Right there, that's where I'll be hunting at. Just gotta go around it to the trail. Do not have my PSG hat on right now, because I left it on. And I won't walking all the way back to the house. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just walking around right now. I really don't know if this is our main hook, but oh well. Somebody uses this anyway. But it is our line, I'm pretty sure. Because there's no cut off. Stuff again. What is that? Across the Rose Island too. Not quite sure. Anyway, guys, I think it's gonna wrap this up for today. If y'all want to see more videos, please give me 2 likes. Let's get 2 likes, please, and subscribe. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.